questions. Welcome to V-La-Nessa's world. It's your girl. Lifestyle vlogs about her day. She's sweet as pearls. It's your girl.
Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. Today is what? Anyway, me and Raldan are going to do road because you told nobody to do it.
I want to play for the something, you know. I want to play look African.
Listen now, welcome to a new vlog. Today we're going to do a daily vlog. We're going to go into maybe St. Anne's, maybe Rick's Cafe or whatever. We're going to do something different today. So, I'm going to vlog the day. So it's a daily vlog. After today, you don't see no more, right? Right. So I have Raldan. You all know Raldan. He's my brother from another mother. We basically have the same last name, so yeah. We're gonna go out and go on an adventure because we don't have nobody. Well, I don't have nobody to go to. I may have one company, so we're gonna go the way there. Plus, we never travel so far with the car. Someone wants somebody just in case anything happen. So yeah. Anyway, Raldan, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
You kind of nice.
Ready, man. Ready.
So the plan was we were going to look for a girl that I met in Mandarin. But me call her, I not get her. But me send that me left her a message. So if she reply, then we go look for her. If not, we go about to business. Cause it's 2 weeks off and we want to go out.
You red light,
Oh yeah, I forget. See that? When I get to the way. Maybe my red light to the we forgot to then put up we forgot to then put up stoplight. So eh?
So I'm come with you?
Yeah, exactly. We forget to then put up stoplight. Those so we just go journey over and then make you come with us, but we're not going to vlog all the way. And then we have some question we got question Raldan, so you guys will be a part of that. So we're just gonna vibe now and go over. So I catch you in the middle of everything. Everything's changed. Burger King and Papaya with the angels. You couldn't tell me less.
Shadows gone with summer skies, pulled me in under its eyes.
You can imagine $2,050 for a toll. So in all, you would have spent $4,100. May I go on one toll road? Let's come together on one toll road. What you say? What you say?
What's that?
We not make money. $4,000 on toll just to go for Spanish Town to Ochi. That don't make no sense.
Makes sense.
It don't make no sense. That could have put gas in the car or half the tank.
Better than drive around so much of your car.
Why? But me didn't drive around so.
You know me, that man.
Because everybody now drive around the center, so the toll are going to really pack up. Yeah, but you
drive come back, but then drive around so an idea.
No, so much better me didn't drive around there. Hey, anybody want to ride, I have to pay me, I'm sorry. You know, I pick up nobody. With you. Anyway, come, may I ask a question?
Go on.
Yes. So, welcome to the topic, the section of Cuisine Raldan. So, you've been on a program before, right? Right? Yes?
Part program.
It's a program, which means any program.
Oh, part program.
You've been on a work program before?
Yes.
Okay. What influenced you to go on the program? What you money man come off I wrote things?
Money.
Money?
Yes.
So money was the main reason, an opportunity?
Yes.
So how did you know about the program? Like why do you want to go on the program? Like what click in your brain say, oh yes, I have to go on the program to get money and the opportunity? What you see or what? Tell me.
To be honest, really want a better my life, Jamaica kind of slow for me. So I went there to see what I can get and it worked out.
So how was it?
It was hard at first. Then eventually it get easy to me when we get the first paycheck. It was nice.
Because it kind of motivates you.
Yes, the paycheck.
Oh, so you know, but I feel the work.
No,
You feel the money.
money.
Yeah.
That me go for, I'm see it happen, so I eat one.
Okay.
So I want to go now again.
So how did you go on the program though? The people want to know like how did you go on the program and which program did you go on?
H2A,
Okay, and what is the H2A?
agriculture farm work program.
Okay.
Basically.
You see that? Mm-hmm.
Like in teeth.
And then like you mean?
Like in teeth again.
It says that agriculture farm. It says basically the farm work program.
Yeah, it's a farm work
And how did you go on that program? And what did you really wanted to go on the farm program, or you just didn't want to go overseas, or you want to go on one different program? Like, was that your first pick?
Yeah, it was my first pick till I heard about the H2B.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
And
I said, wait, which one better?
mm-hmm.
But I apply for all of them and let me get through the H2A.
Mm-hmm.
But in order to get that H2A, now we have to go to your MP
Mm-hmm.
and it requests you to the Ministry of Labour, and you have to do an interview to go there
Okay.
to get that's it.
Mhm.
Chose to go there.
So basically, you wanted to go on the H2B program after you heard about it.
Yes.
But you never did put your eggs in more than one basket. Well, you did put your eggs in more than one basket. Because you know you want to limit yourself and anything come first,
Yes.
you take it, right?
That's right.
Okay, so now you have it. So you don't put your eggs in one basket. If you want the opportunity to go to Big Apple, Big USA, yeah, you have to apply to multiple jobs. And not only just jobs in USA, if you want to just leave Jamaica and go work somewhere else or experience somewhere else, apply for another program. Like you have the JET program, you have Finland, you have UK, you have Canada, all heap of different program that you can go on. So many people, if you did wait on the H2B program, you probably wouldn't experience H2A, right?
Right.
Okay. And how long did you spend on the H2A?
Actually 2.5
Month?
month, really.
And was it worth it?
Yes, to be honest.
Okay.
Greatest thing is that we get the opportunity, experience about US.
And it was your first time in the US?
Yes, it was my first time.
And where did you go?
New York, Rochester.
Okay. And did you get to see like any big cities or anything like that
Yeah, when I'm going home.
when you were going home? So you never really experienced?
No.
Okay. So your next time you're going to experience US a little bit more, right?
Yes.
Okay.
H2B.
And then, you want to go on H2B now?
Yes.
So you wouldn't do the H2A again?
Yes, but as we say now, as we used to before, put your egg
No more than
in one
in a one
basket.
basket.
So I 2 baskets down to going all home.
Okay.
Anyone come first again? Gone again.
So how was the people there like on the work? How was the employer? How was your co-workers? How were they?
But it was good. It was good.
Did you have any fuss or anything like that?
No, at first, show me can work hard and everything there. You have a set of guys like they want pressure me with the work. But we say when we get the first paycheck, everything changes. So we know some official know upon the work. So we start telling boss, say, listen, I have to go change these guys and look at them now work with me. You know? And I eventually have become a team leader over there.
Wow. So you've been there for 2.5 months.
Yeah.
And you became a team leader.
Because them see my work ethic and them, them light, the energy.
And that mean they will call for you again? Because them say, yo, this dude did actually work good. And this is what I was saying when I first went on the J1 program. After the first 2 weeks, we get promoted because I'm a work ethics. So people go over there and they feel as if they're entitled. And they complain and all them something there. And when they realize that they really make use of the program, So we have to go and make use of the program. Alright, so we just reach, which one we reach? We run about now at Ocho? Already? In Ocho, yeah. So we just heard it from Raleigh P. He enjoyed the program and he would do it again and he would recommend it to a friend, right?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, that's the end of the segment. If you have any more questions for him, just drop it down in the comment down below and let's get this adventure going on, okay? So guys, we have something to celebrate. My going back to Jamaica vlog, the 5.3 thousand views. Remember that we were supposed to celebrate the 5,000 subscribers? Well, now we have 5,000 views. And then I just got an email from YouTube saying that I reached 250,000 views. Achieved January 16th. We achieved this on January 16, 2025. 250,000. We should celebrate. That is why we're going to Margaritaville to celebrate. Okay? You have work later? You have work later? You now listen to me. I'll be 849 years and now listen.
I don't work. Now you're. Yeah, take sick leave if you want bullshit, man.
Oh, you did take it?
I'm not telling you that.
People are at work rather than workplace. Nothing to do him in the on the road. Joke me, I make him did sick with you, sick. Can't go in at the cold. I'm sick with you. I'm be drag him out of the house. That's why I come out of the house. I'm about to fire him, okay? You hot?
I'm not blow up on me. I'm not kind of eat that signature. Nah, come to me. She's my pork.
The lock.
Yeah, oh, the lucky. Watch out.
I must see somebody with his tongue in there and see lucky.
Yo, brother, the school, man. Come here and say, oh, me not feel nothing. Yeah, laugh, bro. After them days, I burn up. You know, you may say,
yeah, but I think you fix it. I thought you fix it.
You just want to open.
You know, normally Ochi and sentence have only for police, so I'm not saying.
Till in the weekend, but about the week.
No, but even during the week. Remember, I used to come this away a regular, you know, or a regular pan bus. I look for man.
A new city to get lost in. Always wanted to see Austin. Heard you running round again. Thought about when we first began. I was baby.
Guys, at the first we ever come in the village. It actually looked nice. Oh, it's a Margaritaville. Wait, hold on there. It's this are the live. Live. Like live music and so on. So we'll go around this office and then come back right so yeah. So we're in the village. We call it something village. I don't know. We're just a walk and a look. Island village. They have jewelry store that have Pandora, Mavado and Ray-Ban, Crocs, like a bag of places. Even V-La-Nessa, it looks like foreign. We're just walking just to see what's in here. Yeah. So we have Slayology Salon.
Why do you have Paulo in here?
Because it's a village, it's supposed to have everything.
Paulo?
Boy.
That joke. Where do you Paulo here?
Hey, so hot to do? Jesus Christ, I'm not using this. Yeah, just in case anybody drop down. Yeah, man. Oh, chill pop. I'm gonna get that chill pop.
Sitting on a porch somewhere downtown, just watching hours float around. We were careless. Wish I could care less now. Always driving out, then leaving the car.
Thanks. Hey, watch him. Hey.
So what am I doing?
Yeah. Oh, I don't want to give me money. Just give me my money. Oh my, 1,500. Rich. Yeah, give me the rest of the day. This is nice. It's nice. Should I take this one?
No, daddy.
Run the lizard there. When him gone? This tastes good. It tastes refreshing.
Alright.
Pine and ginger. Why am I pine and ginger? Oh, it's not good.
I need that time.
That drip. It tastes good. This ain't so good. Roland I got treat it. Because Roland, remember say Roland earlier he might talk about how he make money and he got fired for H2A. And so I'm going to order everything off him. Roland, we're supposed to go wait, supposed to go order and we can't decline. You wouldn't take a bill? If we can't decline, you would take a bill? Lock it up.
I know. What kind of drinks are we taking?
Me, I gotta take the daiquiri.
What name so?
It's like a frozen drink, so we gotta take the breezy pina colada. And you can't take the mango tango.
You can't manage drink.
Hey, if I want, you can't please shut. No man, I hear one stinks shutty. I can't take something like this painkiller. You say it hurt you.
I want them, man.
Hey, my head has scratched me. No, scratch me hard. And you can choose which cup you want it in. So it said 22 if you want in a regular cup for $8, $8.95. If you want to get a souvenir glass, you get it in a 22-ounce cup. And then get it. So what? Oh, okay. So the drink in this are $19. Then the refill, this is our blender cup. And then you have the 5 o'clock cup for $22. And then you have the margarita cup. Margarita. That is in margarita. So,
Yes, ma'am.
can we get the appetizer platter, please? And then for the entree, I want the margarita pasta and then the jerk barbecue chicken.
Jerk barbecue chicken?
Yeah.
Rice and peas?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright.
So much money that? And then you have to go tip that to the... What do you think? It has scratched me, you see. But this is my first like outing activities. First thing with the woman, just did it, so I have nothing to do. So I just decided to just take a drive. Funny enough, I wanted to go to Rick's Cafe. When we reach Ocho, rather than to be saying nigger the day that. Like you could have told me that long time. So maybe next week we try to go Negril way. And then if you know so Negril the opposite side of the country, the way the other side. And then from here to Negril is like 3.5 hours. So might as well we just stay in Ocho and then we go over. So yeah, we just just chill here so until the sun say leave. But no I'm going to the sun. Never come here to swim or anything like that.
They ain't play so long.
It tastes nice. It's creamy and you can taste the alcohol in it.
What the fuck about creamy? What kind of
It's creamy, it's very creamy. It's creamy.
Stop that. I eat that drinks. I like to copy argument like that. I eat that.
Yeah, you have to leave your hand. So we got the platter, no, Pilsner glass. This is a beer glass to bring home. The pretty small glass we have, and then always a complaint. Say, the juice last 9 milli, 19th. That don't reach 9 milli yet. You have to take out 3 glasses and make it look like a crib, you know? Rather than smart, rather than not drinking juice because you know I'm really full. Want to save space for lunch. And then you just laugh, so are you excited? You glad? Andre, this enough. It's too much. Thank you. The tortilla and the cheese dip taste so good. Shrimp tastes really good. When you taste the quesadilla. Quesadilla. Just like quesadilla. Tastes like it's just full of cheese. If I don't like it, I like it. But me like it too. You see? So him don't like it and I like it. Me like it shrimp. Guys, I had too much food because right now my belly full and the entree just come. This is what you call idleness. Let's see how much shrimp we get. Only per shrimp in there? 1 pack of shrimp. So you actually get your money's worth because there's a lot of shrimp in there. We're here eating, right? And this man walk like him have stick and so forth. And he jump into the pool, body scream out. So me jump up and me I wonder why. So this lion man now must see. Bombas, I didn't carry food, go get them. What are they? Loaded nachos. No man, they unto every man. Food them no. Food no. Anyway, the lion man must see and say, it's a Jamaican lion man. Since I'm going to make a change after them, so he go there to see if they want any legal assistance. The man said no. The lion man said no sense because he would have wait. But we are waiting for the cups because we bought the souvenir cups and then get our bill. We don't want it honestly. And then leave.
Yes, ready for the bill.
Yes, I don't think so. I don't know if it's It's me now. It's me now when we over so. I may do that. Because me want the other to come out. me want with that too. So you see like if I go clear the table, you see the first time.
I can't make
You
it.
know? No, you see first time I come for the last table, the whatever. Me don't have a bill in my scenario. When me ask them, are you ready for the check? And they say yes, I saw me go and clock and put it out.
Yeah.
When you serve, you have to be on point, especially if it's busy. I guess because it's not busy. And that is how you get make money. Because the more people you get in and come out, and the more money you get. When it's sun from the place.
Yeah, man, you look.
Go brown,
Your last seat.
the last seat. You take the long man. What you guess? 150?
But me don't say
It's about 160.
Alright guys, thanks for making it Margaritaville. Enjoy the rest of the
Thank you. Have a card?
No?
Card? Card machine?
Excuse me.
155. Jamaican
means we can
dollars.
take them here.
Jamaican dollars. 24,000. I wonder if gratuity. Then put the gratuity already. So I'm not a tip. I got sense. You should say.
No, you need to tip. We have to
Let me say.
Yes, it's not fun, you know.
That's already included.
Sail on off the radar and venture away from this trouble.
We're gonna go home now. Really full. Well, the bike is dead. And this is almost dying. This is on 17, so I'm gonna charge them. And then on my way over, I'll pick up back with you.
You near. If you killed me with kindness, I'd no longer feel you here. You've fallen for someone new. A feathered heart forgets everything that's true.
Where have you been? Nobody knows me like you. Don't even deny it. Every time I try it, when I get my eyes, you know I'm lying. Get my eyes, you know I'm lying. Lying, body to body, skin to skin. Made for me, just to make that you were made for me. Only for me, you were made for me.
I'm gonna close out today's vlog. Yeah, I think next time I'm gonna go on the road myself because it costs me too much to bring people. It costs me too much, honestly. Like I told you, right? The bill was $150, then in Jamaican currency was $24, and I chose to pay Jamaican 24,000 for 2 person. So, but I did order appetizer and I ordered 2 drinks, and then the drinks come with the glass. Yeah, we got those as souvenir. So maybe that's why. And then tip was included and all that. So, and taxes. So I guess that's why. But it just feels like me just in the state paying for stuff. I don't know why inflation's so high. Like I am not used to this. It seems like I am still in the States spending in US, but I'm not working any money, if you understand. So right now, I have to go down, find something that I can make some extra money because it's not cutting it. So I'm going to go and shower and then finish edit because I want to try and release a vlog tomorrow, which is Friday, and then try and release my regular Saturday vlog. But it's not going to be a regular vlog because I'm not like vlogging throughout the week, so I want to release another vlog Saturday. I think maybe I release this one and then the other one I release another day. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I suggest somewhere I can go alone, somewhere I can like take in the ambience or just have a vibe by myself. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and big up all my newcomers. Welcome to the family. I love you guys, and yeah, later.